Happy Ramadan, 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 Ramadan. On Thursday, 3 goats. On Saturday, 4 goats. Since Hi guys. Hi my lovers. How you all doing? If you're meeting me for the first time, I'm happy that I welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Happy Ramadan to you all. Happy Ramadan, 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 Ramadan. Ramadan 2023 is not easy, guys. How is Ramadan going on your own side? I hope you guys are resting small. As for me, no rest. No rest. It's not easy, guys. My co-workers, who is Muslim, who is fasting, may Allah answer your prayers. I know it's not easy, guys. You guys are wonderful. You guys are super bees doing this kind of work. Still fast. Hey, as for me, I don't know how to fast. I don't know how to fast. Talk less of when I'm working, I will not be fasting. I beg go. So guys, see me outside. I'm tired. The experience I have this 2023 Ramadan, I don't believe her, honestly. I don't believe her. It's too much. Too much. See, I'm outside. I'm about to wash pot. Since this Ramadan, this is how I'm washing it. This is 2 pots. This, just check the cover of this pot for you to know how big it is. This is two pots I'm washing. Today is what? Today is Saturday. Thursday, the same thing. See the pot. I can't even raise it up. I can't even. This is, see, 4 hands. Very big, guys. This is what we have been cooking. Eh? Relations. Brothers. Sisters. They're all coming to eat together. This is more than party in our house. This particular one now, 4 good goats. Four goats. I'm not tired. My prayer now is that this is just finished fast. Alhamdulillah, it's small now. Maybe in 3-4 days now I don't finish. Maybe person rest. I'm tired. Today send the notice that I'm tired. Everybody was asking me, Happiness, what happened? Happiness, your face is not smiling. Wait till work won't kill me. I asked my madam, I said, boss, what happened? Since I've been working with you, I did 1 Ramadan outside, and this house now is 3 Ramadan. I've never experienced such work before. What happened? And my second not there. My second has gone back. She said, the reason why you have not witnessed this kind of work here, because since you start working with us, you come during that corona period. You know, that 2020 was corona. You came through that corona period, so we don't do any Ramadan. Nobody visit much. Everybody were just coming small that period. But now no more corona. That's how we do it. Yesterday was relations. Hey, I couldn't make a single video because I was tired. Vegetable I cut, fresh vegetable. You guys know how they eat their salata. Hey Jesus, my hand. I asked myself. Yes, I still cut this cucumber, but I did not video the cutting one, guys, because I was tired. Very tired. But the work was excess. Just thank God that they take this food outside, they cook it outside and brought home. 4 good goats. On Thursday, 3 goats. On Saturday, 4 goats. Since every week. Since morning I've been working. Cleaning. Oh Jesus, it's not easy, guys. It's not easy. And the worst part of it, after this serving them, you know appreciation. Not even they pay me past God self. Because see, at the end of this Ramadan, everybody go wear correct cloth to dress, they dance, they happy, they go. You that suffered for 1 month. I've been working with 3 families because my friend now she has gone. I'm serving her family and serving the second son family plus mine. They eat here, I cook, I wash, I serve. At the end of it, no appreciation. It's not easy, honestly speaking. It's not easy. This is too much. I don't know how you guys are doing. Maybe if it's the same thing with your own side, please, let me know if you're watching me. If it is the same thing in your own side. This thing I'm saying now, just let me know, guys. It's too much. It's too much. Now I'm about to wash. I'm tired. I can't even stand it. My leg is paining me. I have to ask my boss. I said, what is going on? Why is this Ramadan, the 2023 Ramadan is like this? She said, because I've not witnessed it before. I said, what? Everybody happiness. What is going on? You are frowning your face. You are not happy. Okay, it's okay. Just remain small. After today, no visit again, okay? After today, oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. After today, no visit again. Before I thought it was only mama children with their husbands that will come. This one is relation. All of them came. Physical. Our hands be like where they are selling cars. Since one I've been working, this is after 12 now. I have to wash this. It is well, may God help us. So a house Ramadan is too much. I always say, madam, it's too much. You wake up in the morning, you wash in the night, you wash, you will sleep around after 1, around after 2. You see, Jesus. So guys, normally I don't supposed to go out in the night, but because the dustbin was much, so I have to go to trash. I went to this particular place 5 good times to go and trade trash, go and trade dustbin. It was not easy. Well, it is well. Please guys, like and comment, and please guys subscribe to my channel. This is what I'm about to wash. See how big it is. This is one. This one's for rice. And this one's for meat. This one collects 4 goat meat. See how big it is. Very, very big. That's so much. Let's watch. Let's watch. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and comment, and please guys subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified each time I post a new video. Happiness, love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.